Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to add a check box to the data. So I have a small data with the employee details and the task status. So we need to get a check mark here for all the status who have been completed here. For that, you can go to Developer tab. Under Developer tab, just keep your cursor on the cell. Go to Developer tab, Forms and Controls. You can add the check here. So just remove the unnecessary text. So you can copy this. Just click on this cell and copy this till down, Control V. So now you're able to see here. So we have the checkbox for everything, but here you can click it, it is taking. So we need to get the status also. Say like percentage of status here completion. So for that, what you can do, just right click on it, go to Format Controls. So under Format Controls, web cell, you can set the cell number as C2. Just type it as C2. So once you click on it, now you can see it has become true. If you uncheck it, it becomes false here. The same thing we'll do for all format control here. So next is C3. See, click OK. Same thing, just right click on it. So C4, just right click. C5, C6, right click. C7, C8, C9, control, C10. So it will not work dynamically. We need to update each time. C11. So we have selected all. You can see here when you click on it, it changes to false here. I don't want to see the text here. So right click, select all the things, go to just change it to white background. So that will not show here. See, right? So when you click on the cell, you can see it says true. Remove, it says false. So now we got the checkbox here. I need to get the status of how much it is done. So for that, what you can do, just do a count if, open bracket. It's asking a range. So if you can click on this, it will show you range. The range is we are trying to count these things. So I'll select this range. You can do F4 to freeze the cells. Criteria true. If it is checked, it should be true. So we know that click on true. So now you can see there is nothing. If you click on one here, it is changing to one. Second task, third person, fourth. So we are getting the information here 12. So we need to know how many are there here. We have around 10. So what I'll do, I need to get a percentage here. Divide by 10. Okay. So now it is changing. So I'll just change the to percentage here. So now if you click, it says 10%, 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. Okay. So now we are able to get this. But I hope this was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I just need to create a video. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.